Passing other vehicles safely takes a bit of skill, so I've got some steps for you to follow to help you pass like a pro. We're going to hop in the car with an experienced driver and I'll talk you through it. When you're driving on country roads and highways, you'll eventually see one of these signs. This means a passing lane is up ahead. Passing lanes provide a safe place for vehicles to pass each other without crossing the centre line. Here's some steps for driving safely in a passing lane area without passing anyone. First things first, if you aren't going to pass anyone, stay in the left lane. If you've been driving slower than the speed limit, don't suddenly speed up when you reach a passing lane. If other vehicles are following you, let them pass safely. Keep at least a 2-second following distance or 4 seconds in poor conditions for safety. As you near the end of a passing lane, there'll often be a sign to warn you. Check your mirrors and blind spot for any traffic coming up behind you. It's also a good idea to indicate right for at least 3 seconds to let following traffic know that the passing lane is ending and you're going to move to the right. Remember, passing lanes don't last forever. You've got a limited time to pass other vehicles safely and within the speed limit. Here's some steps for using a passing lane safely. When you enter a passing lane area, create some space with your following distance so you can see up ahead and also have room to accelerate to passing speed, making sure you stay within the speed limit. Look ahead of the vehicle you want to pass to make sure there's enough room before the passing lane ends. If there isn't enough room, don't attempt to pass. There'll be a sign, like this, telling you when the passing lane is about to end. If clear, indicate right for at least 3 seconds. Check your mirrors for any traffic behind and to the side of you. Check you're in the correct gear so you can accelerate quickly and pass safely. Check your mirrors again and blind spot to make sure the lane is still clear. Accelerate to passing speed and steer smoothly into the right lane and pass the slower vehicle, staying within the speed limit. Check your rear view mirror. When you can see the whole vehicle behind you, do a shoulder check to confirm you're clear of the vehicle. Indicate left for at least 3 seconds. Move smoothly back into the left lane, making sure there's enough following distance between you and any other vehicles. As you near the end of the passing lane, check your mirrors and blind spot to see if there's any other vehicles coming up behind you. It's good to indicate right for at least 3 seconds to let following traffic know that the passing lane is ending and you're going to move right. Now you know how to safely use passing lanes. It's a good idea to watch this video again if you want to remember these steps and start putting them into practice. Remember, if you're not going to pass, stay left.